Have you ever found yourself wide awake at 2 a.m.? Not because of a bad dream, but because your bladder had other plans. You tiptoe in the dark, use the bathroom, and then you lie there, staring at the ceiling, hoping sleep returns before morning does. For many older adults, nighttime urination, what doctors call nocturia, isn't just inconvenient, it's exhausting. It fragments your rest, messes with your energy, and quietly chips away at your overall well-being. Yes, age, medications, and certain medical conditions can play a role. But here's something most people overlook. What you eat, especially certain vegetables, can significantly influence how often you're waking up to go. Some vegetables gently support the bladder, calm inflammation, and help your kidneys regulate fluid more efficiently. Others, especially when eaten too late in the day, can quietly sabotage your sleep. In today's video, we'll explore 5 vegetables that can help reduce nighttime urination in older adults. These aren't exotic or expensive. They're familiar, accessible, and when used wisely, they can help you sleep longer, deeper, and more peacefully. Stay with me until the end, because when you understand how these vegetables work together, you might just change your grocery list ... and your sleep quality ... for good. 1. Asparagus, the gentle kidney whisperer. Let's begin with an unexpected hero, asparagus. Asparagus is often overlooked, but for older adults battling nighttime urination, it's a quiet powerhouse. Why? Because it supports your kidneys, those to bean-shaped organs that manage your body's fluid balance. Asparagus contains a compound called asparagine, which acts as a natural diuretic. That might sound counterproductive at first, but here's the catch: it encourages your body to release excess fluid earlier in the day, not while you're trying to sleep. When eaten at lunchtime or early dinner, asparagus helps your body process and eliminates water long before bedtime. That means your bladder doesn't need to do the heavy lifting while you're trying to rest. There's more. Asparagus is also packed with B vitamins, which support healthy circulation and reduce inflammation. That's key, because when your urinary tract is inflamed, even a little bit of urine can feel like an emergency. I met a woman named Janet, 76 years old. She started roasting a few spears of asparagus and pairing it with her lunch 3 times a week. No pills, no powders, just real food. After 2 weeks, she noticed she was getting up once per night instead of 4. It's not magic, she told me, but I finally feel like my bladder and I are on the same team. 2. Bell peppers, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Next up, bell peppers. These colorful veggies do more than brighten up your plate. They're one of the best low-acid sources of vitamin C, which means they strengthen your immune system without irritating your bladder. Here's something many older adults don't realize: most synthetic vitamin C supplements can actually worsen nighttime urination. Why? Because they acidify your urine and irritate the bladder lining. Bell peppers, on the other hand, offer a bladder-friendly form of vitamin C that helps calm things down, not stir them up. Red and yellow peppers are especially rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and quercetin, which help reduce inflammation in the bladder wall. Less inflammation means fewer false alarms from your bladder during the night. Plus, they're hydrating without being too watery. When you eat them during the day, sliced raw, sautéed into scrambled eggs, or tossed into a stir-fry, they support hydration in a slow, steady way that doesn't overload your system before bed. A man named Harold, he's 82 and a retired mailman, told me he started snacking on sliced bell peppers instead of chips during the day. They don't just help me sleep, he said. My heartburn is better too, and I'm not popping up to pee all night long. 3. Zucchini, the gut and bladder connector. Now let's talk about zucchini. Soft, gentle on the gut, and packed with fluid-balancing minerals, zucchini is a triple win for older adults. It's rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber, all of which play a major role in how your bladder behaves overnight. Potassium helps your body release excess sodium. Magnesium relaxes the smooth muscles of the bladder. And fiber, it keeps your digestion moving smoothly. Because here's the truth: when your bowels are backed up, They put pressure on your bladder. That pressure increases urgency, especially at night. Zucchini is also easy to digest, important for older adults with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. Unlike cruciferous vegetables that can cause gas and bloating, zucchini is gentle and rarely causes discomfort. A widower named Carl, 79, told me he started spiralizing zucchini into noodles and eating them with marinara sauce twice a week. He wasn't expecting much, but after a month he was sleeping through the night more often. "It's the weirdest thing," he said. "I started my digestion, but my bladder stopped interrupting my sleep." 4. Parsley, the unsung diuretic that knows when to quit. Let's move on to parsley. Yes, the garnish that gets pushed to the side of the plate is actually one of nature's smartest diuretics. Parsley doesn't just make your food look fancy. It contains compounds like apigenin and myristicin, which gently increase urine production during the day. That timing is critical. Unlike medications that force your kidneys to work overtime, parsley works with your body's rhythm. When consumed earlier in the day, it helps your kidneys eliminate excess water without stressing them out. Even more, parsley is high in vitamin K, which supports blood vessel health. That might sound unrelated, but it's actually important. Poor circulation to the kidneys and bladder can impair how they function, especially in older adults. Mild in flavor and easy to add to soups, smoothies, and even teas. Parsley is one of the most underestimated bladder allies. Doreen, age 85, started making a simple tea by steeping a handful of fresh parsley in hot water. "I didn't expect much," she admitted, "but I felt lighter during the day, and by the 3rd week, I was sleeping through the night again." 5. Carrots, the gentle regulator. Our final vegetable, carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, potassium, and a specific kind of fiber that regulates hydration and supports gentle detoxification. Unlike diuretics that flush too quickly, carrots work in harmony with your body's natural elimination cycles. They support the liver, help balance hormones, and keep the intestines moving, all of which support better bladder behavior at night. They also contain fulcarinol, a compound with mild anti-inflammatory properties that's especially useful for calming the bladder lining. Carrots can be eaten raw, roasted, pureed into soup, or even blended into smoothies. Just remember, eat them earlier in the day. A carrot salad at lunch is helpful. A carrot juice at 9 p.m., not so much. Margie, 77, shared that she started roasting carrots in bulk and keeping them in the fridge. "I added them to everything," she said. "Eggs, soup, even sandwiches. And I don't know if it's a coincidence, but I've been waking up a whole lot less." So, what have we learned? Asparagus helps your kidneys work earlier, not later. Bell peppers soothe your bladder and support healthy inflammation response. Zucchini connects the dots between digestion and bladder control. Parsley flushes during the day so you can rest at night. And carrots, they quietly regulate everything in between. When you bring these vegetables into your daily routine, especially during the first half of the day, you give your body what it needs to manage fluid wisely, reduce irritation gently, and support restful sleep naturally. There's no magic bullet here, but there's something better. A set of small, manageable choices that add up. Consistency is more powerful than any pill. And sleep, that's not a luxury. It's a cornerstone of your health, your clarity, and your joy, especially as you age. If you found this video helpful, please comment below with your favorite vegetable from the list or share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video that supports your health and well-being. Until next time, take care of yourself, eat with intention, and sleep peacefully. You deserve it.